Good morning, students. How are you?
Good
morning,
morning,
Miss. I'm
I'm
good.
good.
How about
How
you?
are you?
Morning, Miss.
Thank you for asking. I'm good too. So before we start our class today, I want to have someone to lead the prayer. Who wants to lead the prayer for the class?
I miss. I am.
Yes, Vishnu.
Okay, everyone. Before we start the class today, let's pray together. Pray start. Pray end.
Thank you, Vishnu. Before I start, I want to check your attendance list. Please say present if I call your name.
Okay, Miss.
Indah,
Yes, present, Miss.
Desa,
Yes, present, Miss.
and Vishnu,
Yes, present, Miss.
Ajeng,
Yes, present, Miss.
Adia,
Present, Miss. Present.
and the last one we have Yuda.
Present, Miss.
All right, are you ready for our class today?
Yes,
Ready.
sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
I am
Before
ready.
that, who still remember what topic that we have discussed last week?
And about
Explanation,
explanation.
Explanation text, Miss.
Great, that's
Yes.
good.
Explanation.
That's correct. We learn about the explanation facts. Who wants to make a brief explanation about the explanation facts?
Math, science.
Yes, Indah.
As I remember, that explanation text is the text that tells the process relating to the forming of natural, social, scientific, and also cultural phenomenon.
Great, that's a really good answer from Indah. Our today's topic will be practically the same as the previous text, an explanation text that discusses the process of something happen. I want to ask you, have you had your breakfast this morning?
I had.
Who wants to share to your friends what breakfast that you have?
Fried rice, Miss.
You know how to make fried rice?
I know.
Today we will learn about the procedure text. So let me share the screen first. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Our learning objective for today is the first, identify social functions, text structure, and linguistic elements. And the second one is make and describe the steps or process of making dishes, the use of technology, and other tips. That's all about our today's class. Any question?
No question.
No, Miss.
I want to have someone to make a conclusion about our today's class. Who wants to try?
Miss, I am.
Who is speaking?
Adia, Miss, Adia.
Yes, Adia.
I am. Procedure text is a text that explains how to do something in sequence of action.
Great. Thank you, Adia, for your explanation. And what
Thank
about
you.
the generic structure of procedure text?
Yes.
You guys
Yes,
raising
Miss.
hand? All right, I jump first.
So the generic structure of procedure text, there are three, such as the goals, the material, and the last is the step.
Thank you, Aja. That's right. I want to tell you that by learning procedure text, it is really important to our life, especially to ease other people daily activity, because we will share the process of doing something. For example, how to make food, how to use the technology, and other things. So it is very useful for you to learn about the procedure text. So before I close this class, I will give you an assessment. You should work in pairs and make a video of procedure text. It can be how to make food or how to use the technology and other process. When you have done your video, you can upload it in e-learning. There's no question. I want to have someone to lead the prayer before we close this class.
Okay, before we end our class, let's pray together. Okay, let's start the prayer. Okay, let's end the prayer. Thank you.
Thank you, Adia. See you in our next meeting and goodbye.